The Menus module allows you to link your web pages and other content areas of your site. You can access it through Website Menus. There are different menu groups on your site, and each site may have a different amount of menu groups available. Every site will at least have the main menu group. Switching over to the live website, this main menu area in the header is what is the main menu group. You will see our why, locations, childcare, all the way down to membership reflects what you see here as well. The top bar menu, home, about, donate, contact, is this top black bar in this instance. And lastly, I'll show the footer menu, which if we scroll down to the bottom is the menu located down here. Some other menu groups may vary as well. For example, if you have different branches that have submenus and things like that, you may also have menu groups for them as well. Let's go back to the main menu to demonstrate how to add a new item. First, you'll notice a few of these have folders to the left of them. This folder icon you can click on and it'll open up and show you what type of items are underneath it. That means that they have a sub drop-down menu. You'll notice Programs, Youth Development has another folder. If we go to the live site, you'll see Programs, Youth Development, and it has another flyout. So you can see how this works and is reflected in the Menus module. The Menus module is all drag and drop, and everything will be saved instantly as soon as you let go and do that. So let's say we wanted to move locations to be the first item instead of our why. I just dragged, let go, and that is now saved. So if I go back to this page and refresh, you'll see locations is now first. And then we can change that back as well. Let's say we wanted membership inside of childcare. How we would create the drop-down menu for childcare would be dragging membership right on the childcare. And when you let go, you'll see the icon appear, and then it gets the dark background letting you know that it worked. If I refresh the site, membership disappears. Childcare now has a drop-down. We can move that back as well. As you see as I'm hovering these, a little plus green icon appears and a little red X appears. The red X deletes and the green plus adds more. So if we want to add a new menu item, we click plus. New is grayed out as you see. By default, hide menu item is checked. We will want to uncheck that. Give us our new title. So let's say we want to link to the About Us page. We would say insert new link. This pulls open the link wizard. Through the link wizard, we can link to any module or anywhere else, including an external link to a different site. But right now, for our example, we're going to go to the web pages, click next, click About Us page, click next, and you'll see it inserts the link. We will save that, go back to the live site and refresh, and About Us gets added to the top right over there. Now if we wanted About Us to be under our why, we would just drag and drop. As you see, by default it puts it at the bottom. We can reorder that if we want it up top. If we refresh, you'll see the changes reflected as well. As you see too, you can also create a menu item and choose to hide that menu item. So maybe you have one created for the future for an upcoming promotion or event or anything like that, or something that's seasonal that you just want to either hide or show at certain times. Just by hiding it and saving it, you'll see it also then disappears from the main navigation for your public facing site. And then lastly, we can just delete it by clicking the red X. It prompts you always, are you sure you want to? And you can say okay. And that's the Menus module.